everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to fix payment issue on Uber Eats. Now, what you need to do is open the Uber Eats app and go to the account or the wallet. Then ensure your payment details, that is card number, expiry date, CVV, billing address, are accurate and up to date. Then if any information is inaccurate, please edit it. Make sure your selected payment method has enough available funds or credit for the order. If this does not work, please try a different payment method. Add and use an alternative payment option like a different card, PayPal, or even any of them that's available in your region. Next, ensure that your Uber Eats app is up to date, as in use the latest version. Next, you can decide to close your Uber Eats app completely and then reopen it. This can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. Ensure you're using stable internet connection. Now, if all this fails, contact your bank or payment provider, as they might be the one who have declined the transaction. So contact them to ensure there are no blocks or issues with your account. Inform them of what you're trying to do, that is a legitimate purchase with Uber Eats. So if that doesn't work either, contact Uber Eats support directly through the app. What you do is go to the account or the help section, look for options like payment issues or other issues. Follow the prompts to explain your problem and get assistance. You may be able to chat with a support agent. So by following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve most payment issues on Uber Eats. Hope you found this video helpful.